Hello learners, welcome to very first video of Simplified Triple C. I am Akhil, your instructor for MS Excel. In this video, we will talk about what is MS Excel, where we use it. After that, we will discuss the feature of MS Excel. Covering these topics, we will discuss an overview of MS Excel and as well as we see at last how to open Excel 2016 in Windows 10. So let's start. The very first question is that what is Microsoft Excel? Microsoft Excel, which is also pronounced as MS Excel or only Excel, it is a spreadsheet program developed by and maintained by Microsoft. Here I use a term spreadsheet. What is a spreadsheet? A spreadsheet is a piece of paper on which vertical and horizontal lines are drawn, which is used to keep data in tabular form. Microsoft Excel provides such electronic sheet where we can store data in tabular form. There are various options too which helps to perform various operations such as mathematical, logical and financial operation on that data. We get Microsoft Excel as a part of MS Office application package, which is very popular for desktop other applications. Excel is available for the both type of application, mobile application and for desktop application. For desktop application, it is shipped as the part of MS Office package. It is only available for Windows and Mac OS. For Linux, it is not available. There are other office tools which are used there. And apart from this, it is available as the free of cost for iOS and Android, but for desktop application it is paid. Now let's see where we use Microsoft Excel. Let's start. MS Excel is used for accounting and data analysis on large scale of data or large amount of data, we can say. Here we store data in tabular form and perform various operations as we talk, such as mathematical operations, financial operation or logical operation. There are other there are other operations too which can be applied on that data very easily and efficiently. It has a wide scope in data visualization too. Graphs and chart we can use for visualize our data which is stored in tabular form in any Excel sheet. There are various options of features in MS Excel that can be used for performing any task. If we summarize all that features and categorize, then there are only we can say only 4 features that you can see on the screen. The first one is in MS Excel, it helps to store data in tabular form and provide a grid view to represent the data in arranged manner. Other one is Excel has a rich library in which various types of formula and functions are defined which help to manipulate the data of the Excel. Excel has a key feature of data validation and formatting. By using it, we can use conditional formatting and data visualization too. Here we can represent our data in graphical mode by using graphs and chart options. So let's start. Let's see how we can open Microsoft Excel 2016 in Windows 10. For that, I am just opening other desktop screen. Here you can see the screen of your computer, and if you have already installed the Excel, then you have to click on Start menu and search where is Excel. Yeah, here it is. You can see the icon Excel 2016 is here. If you want to get direct access, just click here and type Excel. Yeah, here you can see the desktop, the icon is appeared in front of you, and by clicking it we can open Excel. Okay, there is another way to open Excel, which is the open run command, and type here Excel and press OK or enter to open MS Excel. You can see it is opening. Okay, now this is the welcome screen. Here you can see various templates. What are templates? We will discuss in our upcoming videos. So let's see by clicking on a blank workbook. Yeah, this is the home screen of Excel 2016. This is the spreadsheet, which is default name has C1, and these are the tabs. These are the tabs: page layout, home insert, formula data, review view, and these are the option of that of the every particular tab. Now let's see how we get quick access to Excel. Let's see. If you want to click here, if you want to open it, you click on start menu, and then go for it, and you can pin it also by right click, make right click, and here you can see an option, because there is already pin. Then you can see the unpin option. If you unpin, it will disappear from here, and make it right click and pin to start menu. There you can see the icon. By clicking on it, we can open it Excel. We can also pin it in our taskbar to get quick access by make it right click and go to more option and pin to taskbar. Now you can see the icon is appeared on taskbar. By clicking on it, we can open it again. Let's see. Now this is the welcome screen, and these are templates, and by clicking it we can get. Okay, so this is enough for this video. Hoping you are enjoying our video series. If you have any query and question about this topic, you can ask me on the comment box. I will try to answer that. So see you in our next video tutorial. Thank you for watching. Good luck.